Kwanda has changed my life for the better.
Kathusa team ile Kwanda ke khona utshintsha uphelo womuntu omunye.
So nje ngiyajabula ukuhamba ngazi ukuthi kunabantu abashintsha impilo zawo ngenxa yami.
Ke rata hore le tle le shebele SABC1 le tlo bona hore batjha ba ntse difference e kae bophelo.
Making our world look better, work better and feel better. Kwanda, starting soon. SABC1, Zanzi for sure.
I'm Lebo Ramafuku. I come from South Africa. I'm a senior executive for media at a not-for-profit organization called Soul City.
And I'm Gavin Anderson, also from South Africa. I'm director of something called the Seriti Institute that worked with Soul City on the production of Kwanda.
Kwanda is a project that basically uses media to showcase what communities, when they work together, can do. It is a project that we started based on the popularity of reality television. But the objective of the project was to basically harness the power that exists in communities to work together. We asked the question, what if groups of people came together, they identified what was their challenge in their community, and instead of waiting for somebody to come and solve the problem, they organized themselves and then they worked together to solve those problems. While people were doing that, they were filmed, and that was the reality show.
In a small Free State community, 60 kilometers from Sasolburg, people are getting ready to start what will be a journey of a lifetime that will take them all the way to a better life. Memajo is one of these people, proud, determined, and unemployed.
I think Kwanda has been a great success. We started with a particular slot on TV that we had, which was just past prime time in the evening. There was initially a small viewership, which is what historically had been the pattern, and it climbed steadily. So by the end, there were millions of people watching every night.
So na na bele kinga alfa plan of gaida bana bana le togel go kra maybe ka magale le na na ngwana ngwa lenyana ka magale le bona re ngwana wa o ka re o gitima le basimana o thomile bana la ra ra ngwana ka wena togela gore o se ke wa robala le banna.
There were a lot of changes. I mean, firstly, just getting people who knew what their problems were in their communities and did not work on them to come together and work was significant. A lot of the teams started projects to take care of orphans and vulnerable children. In some of the places, they managed to get pieces of land where they grew vegetables to be able to feed some of the children and some of the families that were vulnerable.
They are harvesting and selling a second crop of vegetables.
Lokunye sikuphe i-OVC center leya la Jaka Study na sabe sesi-identify nemakhaya lapho khona abantwana labanye bahlala bodwana nalapho khona ukuthi akungeni khona imali.
So the idea is that each one inspires other communities to see that, well, you could do this as well. And so we never did anything that wasn't able to be replicated in other parts of the country. And we found since November, which was the final episode, that indeed several communities have started doing projects for children, raising funds locally, etc. So yeah, I think it's been great. We were invited here by Wyk Alliansie, working with Oxfam Novib, and the idea is to really see if Kwanda, or the Kwanda concept, makes any sense in this part of the world. You know, it's been a puzzling thing for me for many years that the whole development industry assumes that there's no problem at all in the north, the global north, and that it's only in the south that we need to think about how people engage to improve their lives. So I find it welcome that Dutch people are asking the question about whether there's something they can learn from what we're doing in South Africa.
Ngizonibona ngeviki elizayo uma siza kini bukhoma sise-Johannesburg futhi sixoxa nabantu abayibaba izintandokazi zenu phakathi nokusakazwa kwalolu hlelo. Ake sinikhumbuze ukuthi umphakathi wethu weKwanda owinayo uzotholane. Nilale kahle.